Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the TV, verify the system update, and have your remote ready. Press Home to open the launcher, then navigate to Settings or the gear icon. This gives you access to home customization. If your device needs a custom launcher, enable the required permission or developer option first, otherwise skip that step. Once done, make sure your user profile is selected so changes apply to the right account, and move to the Launcher or Home settings. Now you customize channels and apps on the home screen. Navigate the row you want to change, highlight a channel or app, then press OK or Options and choose Move to reposition it. This affects what you see first. For apps, long press to reveal Remove, Hide, or Move. Use Remove only if you want to uninstall or hide to keep but hide. To add shortcuts, open the Play Store or App Drawer and select Add to Home. This ensures your most used services are one click away. Finish by polishing the look and saving changes. Go to Settings, Display and Sound, then Wallpaper to set a background that improves readability and contrast. Make sure you confirm any prompts and test navigation speed. Adjust animation or developer options if the launcher feels slow. If something goes wrong, first restart the TV, then clear the launcher cache or disable and re-enable the launcher. If problems persist, reinstall the launcher or reset the home layout to restore defaults and try the steps again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.